Hi, welcome to a tutorial on creating walls in Revit architecture. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating walls using the powerful tools in Revit. Let's get started. First, ensure that you're in the desired view for creating walls. In this case, we'll use the floor plan view. Go to the Home tab, Architecture tab, and locate the wall tool in Build panel. Alternatively, you can also use WA keyboard shortcut. Before drawing the wall, select the appropriate wall type from the type selector. You can choose the predefined types or create custom ones. Before drawing the wall, select appropriate wall type. Now, once you start and move your cursor to the desired location, a wall is created. You can draw walls in straight lines or use orthogonal drawing tools for precise placement. After creating the walls, you can adjust your properties for the selected wall by using your property panel. Modify wall properties like the location line, base constraint, top constraint, or the heights of the wall as specified. To create additional walls, simply repeat the process all over again. And there you have walls in Revit architecture. Creating walls in Revit architecture is as simple as you can see. With that, Revit's comprehensive set of tools and power of building information modeling, you can efficiently design and document your architectural project. Thank you.